Honorable Chair, Honorable Chair, Honorable Ndindi Nyoro, Honorable Ndindi Nyoro rose in his place without any substantiation whatsoever and made a ridiculous claim, totally unfounded.
Order, members, take your seats.
The dignity,
Honorable Wanga, just a minute.
not of any.
Members, take your seats. Take your seats. Take your seats. So that we can hear what the Honorable Wanga is saying. Take your seats, Honorable Buyu. Go on, Honorable Wanga.
Honorable Chair, Honorable Ndindi Nyoro rose in his place and made totally reckless, unfounded statement that erodes not only the dignity of some members of this House, but the dignity of all the members of this House. He made an unfounded claim that Honorable Fatuma Gedi was walking around this House giving out money. I would like you, Chair, in your place, to challenge the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro to substantiate that very reckless claim that he made against the Honorable Gedi. And if he cannot substantiate it, he should go ahead and withdraw that statement. Chair, this is not on Ndindi, this is on you. Chair, this is on you. This matter, Chair, is squarely on your desk to ask the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro to either substantiate his claim or go ahead and withdraw it and apologize to the members of this House.
Honorable members, listen. The Honorable Ndindi Nyoro has alleged that the Honorable Gedi was moving around distributing money, and the Honorable Gedi has confirmed on record that she was distributing sweets. And I will order the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro to withdraw the statement. If not, then you substantiate your claim. Honorable Nyoro.
Madam Chair, I need protection from these hecklers. Madam Chair, I stated here, Madam Speaker, that I saw Honorable Gendi distributing money in tunes of 100,000 and 200,000.
Honorable Ndindi Nyoro, are you able to prove that, Honorable Nyoro?
Madam Speaker,
Honorable Nyoro,
we have the evidence
order.
that these members are being bribed through Kemsa money, 100,000 and 200,000 by Honorable Gendi.